SAP Business One Integration Hub Nexmo set up in Administration Console and SAP Business One. We would like to give you an overview on how to set up Nexmo in the Administration Console and in SAP Business One, including the topics Nexmo template selection, connectivity setup, deployment in the Administration Console, and verification of the Nexmo feature activation, Nexmo setup, SMS templates, and mark business partners for SMS notifications in SAP Business One. To set up the Nexmo template in the Administration Console, click on the plus icon for specific customer. In the list of application templates supported by the Integration Hub, select the Nexmo template. By default, the template name is My Nexmo Template. By clicking on the Edit button, you can edit the template name. This is necessary when using a template several times for different companies in the same SLD category. To start the configuration of the connectivity settings, choose the Let's Start button. In the Set Connectivity page, select the SAP Business One System ID. The drop-down displays all SAP Business One SLDs available in this specific SLD category. Select the appropriate SLD. To edit the SLD details, click on the Edit button. Test the connection by clicking on the Test Connection button. To set up the Nexmo ID, click on the Edit button. Enter the system name, the API key, and the app secret for Nexmo. Save the settings and test the connection. By clicking on Next, the preparation for deployment starts and displays the Deploy Now button. Start the deployment. Once the deployment is successful, the Integration Hub shows the connected Nexmo template for this specific customer landscape. Click on Choose a template to verify whether the Nexmo template is tagged in green. To verify the Nexmo feature activation in SAP Business One, log in to SAP Business One. The connection confirmation message is shown. The first time after the deployment of Nexmo, the Nexmo temp database script is executed. After successful execution, a restart of SAP Business One is necessary. After logging in again to SAP Business One, in the window Feature Activation, the application Nexmo is set as active. To set up Nexmo in SAP Business One, go to the window Print Preferences. In the tab Per Document, new checkboxes Send SMS via Hub and Send SMS to all business partners are available. The field SMS Body is enabled for marketing documents such as sales quotation, sales order, delivery, return request, returns, AR down payment, AR invoice, AR credit memo, purchase quotation, purchase order, goods receipt, PO, goods return request, goods return, AP down payment, AP invoice, and AP credit memo. To activate the Nexmo SMS notification, select the relevant documents and check the setting Send SMS via Hub per document. The predefined SMS template in the field SMS Body can be edited to your specific requirements for each document type individually. In the Business Partner Master Data, a new checkbox Send Marketing Documents Notification via Hub is available. For sending SMS notifications to a contact person, a mobile phone number in the tab Contact Persons is required. Check the field Send Marketing Notification via Hub in the Business Partner Data record to let Nexmo send SMS notifications to this specific business partner. In the window Print Preferences, the checkbox Send SMS to all business partners can be checked. If this checkbox is selected, then unchecking or checking the SMS checkbox in the business partner master data has no effect. Thank you.